Good afternoon guys. Today I will show you how to clean your mass airflow sensor of a Ford Fiesta Classic. Now mass airflow sensor is located in this place. So normally mass airflow sensor should be cleaned when you are having an erratic idle or you are facing some high fuel consumption. In those scenario or you are having some poor acceleration, poor pickup. So in those cases you should clean this mass airflow sensor. Normally cleaning this sensor solve this problem. So for this I need to open this clip. I have already removed the electrical connection, this one. There are two screws over here, one is here and another is below there. So this screw has to be removed, and I will also remove this particular clip also so that I can bring the entire thing out. So let me first open it, then I will show you how to clean. Normally there are torque screws, so for this you need a torque screwdriver which I have procured from Amazon. I will show you, give you the links if you are interested to buy this particular screwdriver. So let us first open it. So I am opening the screws. Be careful not to lose these screws as these are not available in the market. So I have loosened both the screws. Now I will remove the clip. So I have opened the clip also. So I have loosened this particular screw, I have removed the clip and I have loosened the screws both. That one is below also. Now let me open it up. So this is the mass airflow sensor. Eta bhetore kichu dhorte nei. This is the mass airflow sensor, and as you can see it's very dirty and it needs proper cleaning. So for this I will use a throttle body cleaner to clean this particular mass airflow sensor. And do remember, don't touch any of the parts inside and allow it to dry normally. Don't use any compressed air. So be careful, don't touch any of the parts. And now you clean this particular mass airflow sensor. In fact, any dirt in it will give a wrong result to your car, and it will lead to increased fuel consumption and also poor acceleration, and a rough idle will be there. Look at the dirt, it was totally black. Spray generously. One thing you should remember after spraying this throttle body cleaner, or it's better if you can buy a airflow sensor cleaner, that is a better proposition. Allow it to dry in normal air, don't apply any compressed air. Look at all that black oil, it's coming out. Yes. Normally I asked the service center to clean it, but they were reluctant to do. I don't know why they does all these things. Now I am allowing it to dry. Let it dry normally. You can also check your turbo play, whether there is too much play or not. No, the play is normal. There's the turbo. I have checked the turbo play and it's within the limit. Let us clean this area. There were some oil deposits, so I will be sure where from this oil is coming. Some more. So it seems it is absolutely clean now, and let us allow it to dry for some time, and after that I will reinstall all the components. So I have cleaned all the areas here also. Now I will reinstall all the components. So let me reinstall it. This is the orientation. So it is dried. Now I will install it. Make sure it's dry, otherwise you will find check engine light or erratic readings. So allow it to dry it normally and then refit it. Okay, now refix all the screws, just the opposite order. Do not over tighten it. Now reinstall the clip. Okay, so the clip has been installed. Now reinstall the electrode connector. So you are done. Now the practice is to start the car and wait for 5 minutes. Now let us start the engine. So the car has started in one go, and now I will allow the car to idle for 5 minutes. The idle has become lot steady. So I have started the engine. Let me wait for 5 minutes, then I will check it. If the car at different RPMs, so in this way you can easily clean your mass airflow sensor effectively and satisfactorily at your home, and this is a easy do it yourself project. And if you have liked this video, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And one thing be sure, once you clean your mass airflow sensor, please start the car for 5 minutes and rev your engine at different RPMs and then wait for the idle. So thank you very much and goodbye.